Hey guys, and it's time to talk about the cancelled greatness. You guys remember I made this video a couple of weeks ago talking about the mysterious Samsung Galaxy A100. It was the true 10th anniversary device from Samsung which had even better design than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The next wave of smartphone will be adopting this full screen design 2.0. This new design has no side bezel at all, it's completely curved. The screen curvature goes to the maximum level. The first smartphone with this design is going to be the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. As we have seen with the leaked screen protectors, it does have a small notch, but Samsung's adoption would have been really great because of the whole design. I mean, Galaxy A100 looks so much better thanks to its whole design compared to the Mate 30 Pro, but Samsung, as sad as it sounds, they scrapped this project. They cancelled the greatness that we so wanted to see. Ice Universe further tweeted out saying that Project R6 was indeed cancelled. It was for the Galaxy A lineup because R is the code name for the A series, and pretty much revealing the render design, and you can see it has a slightly smaller chin as well with no side bezel and pretty much no top bezel as well. I mean, this looks so damn good, but in comparison the Galaxy Note 10 is definitely not far from it. On top of all this madness, this mysterious A100 phone was supposed to have the same dynamic AMOLED panel of the Galaxy Note 10, which as we know is the best OLED panel out there, but Samsung made other plans and hopefully we're gonna see something like this with the Galaxy S11. Now, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 leaks are coming to the end. We are really close to the official announcement. Ice Universe tweeted out the full changes compared to the S10 series. This is pretty much like the whole summary. So we have the appearance upgrade, a larger screen ratio. I mean, if you personally ask me, design has to be one of the most amazing changes with the Note 10 series compared to the S10 Plus. And then of course, much needed UFS 3.0 storage is coming to the Note 10 models as well. Note 10 will be the second phone to have UFS 3.0 after the OnePlus 7 Pro. The standard fast charging will be 25 watts, and if you can spend more money, you can get up to 45 watts of fast charging with the Note 10 Plus. Few changes to the S Pen, but zero upgrade to the camera and zero upgrade to the performance. Even though we're gonna see the Exynos 9825, I do believe that the battery performance has to be better because it's 7nm compared to the 8nm of the Exynos 9820. But as far as the performance gains, it's going to be very much equal to the 9820. And again, same cameras as well. Samsung scrapped the project for having the 5x optical zoom, so Samsung again saving all the good stuff for the S11. If you personally ask me, Samsung should have added the zoom capability to the Galaxy Note 10 models because Huawei is bringing its crazy zoom tech to its second phone of the year, which is the Mate 30 Pro. Huawei is becoming a bigger rival to Samsung than Apple ever was. I mean, if you look at all the features that they're doing, they really are going after Samsung and they have to step up their game. Overall, the Galaxy Note 10 looks really good, especially the design. It's making the most impact. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung has officially started mass producing its new 12GB LPDDR5 mobile DRAM chip. According to SamsungNewsroom.com, Samsung's 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM is the first of the kind in the industry and it's built specifically for high-end phones. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G could actually be the first phone to have it. They're mass producing it right around the Galaxy Note 10 release, so there is a huge chance that Note 10 will be the first phone on the market to have a proper DDR5 12GB of RAM. As far as the performance gains, the LPDDR5 is approximately 1.3 times faster than the old LPDDR4X 12GB of RAM, and it's also 30% power efficient. This absolute high quality of RAM is targeted towards 5G and AI improvements. If Samsung brings this new DDR5 RAM with the Note 10, I think it's going to be a solid internal upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will arrive on August the 7th. It's going to be officially announced in New York City. Can't wait to get my hands on this phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The overall final changes of the Note 10 family compared to the S10 model. Do you think it is worth the upgrade? Drop a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.